Business Insider reports OpenAI is on track to release the next major version of its AI model in mid-2024. It's materially better than GPT-4. All right, I remember when GPT-4 was rumored, and we're like, what? GPT-4? But 3 just came out. So 5 would be really awesome. And by the way, once 5 comes out, it might be a little while till we see it in ChatGPT. Normally, they release it to the APIs first, and then it goes into the actual like ChatGPT. Because again, this is kind of the enterprise versus consumer things, but ChatGPT is really for the consumer, most of it. It is used in other places, in businesses, but businesses really use the API. They make their own software and stuff like that, so that's really what gets GPT-5. So, maybe mid-2024 for GPT-5, and then maybe late 2024 for GPT-5 in ChatGPT. Or maybe at the same time if we're lucky. So, alrighty.